Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to ModFusion. And today guys, we got a new package to unbox, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this week we actually got a new package, and it's an AFE power intake. So let's go ahead and open this up so you guys can see exactly what it looks like and what came in the actual box. So the first time I open it guys, so we'll both see what's actually in this box. I've actually have been waiting for this for a while. I ordered it some time back guys, and it got back ordered. And it was a whole deal. I was gonna get it from AmericanTrucks.com. I ended up going directly to AFE to go ahead and order this actual item. And even they were back ordered. So I had to wait even longer. So I honestly waited maybe about a month or so to actually receive this package.
Not a month. It's been longer than a month.
Has it been more than a month?
It was your Father's Day gift.
Oh, that's right, that's right. So yeah, but
it's 2 months.
About 2 months. Wow, yeah, you're right. About 2 months. So here we go, guys. So here's what's actually in the box. So let's see. Comes with, this is 3.5 inch. Let's open this box up and see what's inside. Doesn't really say on there. Let's see here. All right, so here we go. So it's one of the actual filters for the intake system. It's an oiled filter, not a dry. Let me go ahead and open this up so you guys can get a better idea of what it looks like. There we go, guys. Look at that. With the clamp. So there should be 2 of these. Let's see, so that's one. Here's the other. So initially guys, I was gonna go with the dry system, but I decided to go with the actual oiled filter. It actually said on there that it gives more performance or better performance than the dry filter. So, you know, let's see, hopefully we do get better performance out of this one. Same thing, here we go. So here's the oil filter. Open that up. You guys can see this. There we go. Nice looking filter. Put this in here. Alright guys. Let me see what else we got in here. Let's see, looks like the cover for the actual system. Aluminum made piece, and then we have the actual tubes for the system. So instead of being 2 tubes that merge into one, guys, I went with the system that's actually 2 separate tubes for each one of the turbos. So here's for the, I believe, the driver's side, and then let me show you guys one for the passenger side. There we go. So this will be for the passenger side. So they'll be side by side. And they're both aluminum, guys, instead of plastic. So that was one big thing I was kind of wondering if it would be better to go with aluminum or plastic. Most of the systems you see out there are plastic, and you know, to kind of help with the heat. So hopefully these won't get too hot whenever we put these in. And then here's the package with all the actual clamps that we're going to need, guys. Show you that. There we go. So it comes with, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 clamps, guys. 5 screws, and then an extension for the harness of one of the sensors that goes into the actual intake system. We got here, and then we got the boots, guys, that will connect this to the existing intake system. There you guys, how these look. Go. That's kind of nice. It has a little stamp of AFE power on them on both sides. Rubber boots. And then I believe this little piece here will connect both of the tubes from the right side and the left side together in the middle with the clamps. Here's the other boot. There we go. And then I believe this is the actual frame that will sit in the existing air filter box for the actual truck. If I can get this open, here we go. There we go. So this, guys, will actually sit inside the truck in the engine, like so, on top of the existing bottom piece of the air filter box, and then the 2 filters right in here. So here we go. Put the box out of the way, guys, so I can take everything else out. And the only things that we got left here, let's see. So it actually comes with a filter guard for the actual filters to protect from the debris that the filter might catch. So it comes with 2 of those, one for each filter. There we go. And then the instructions, guys. Oh, you know what? And inside the instructions, actually, I think there's one more piece, guys, that needs to be installed. So there's this here, guys. It says to make sure to install this vent fitting to prevent check engine light. So it must go in the actual intake system, and we'll go ahead and go through the instructions and see exactly where it goes. Make sure we go ahead and get this in there so we don't have any issues with our check engine light, guys. So this is the next install, guys, or our next mod will be this, the intake from AFE Power, and it's actually the Super Raptor, guys. So I'm excited to get this into the car and see how it changes the performance and also the sound of the actual vehicle, guys. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so let me know what you guys think of the next mod. Did I make a good choice with this part, or do you guys recommend a different actual intake? Or let me know what you guys actually have installed on your trucks, and let me know if it helped it and if you like it, or if it's making too much noise. Hopefully this one gives me a little bit more noise out of the engine. And so make sure, guys, to stay tuned for the actual install, and make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video for the install, guys.